In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export Figma to After Effects. If you've built your designs in Figma and want to bring them into After Effects for motion and polish, this walkthrough will keep everything clean and organized so your layers translate as expected. Start by opening your Figma project. Make sure you're looking at the page and frames you actually want to export. It helps to double check that your layers are clearly named and grouped because whatever structure you have here is what the export will try to preserve. Now, look for the action icon in the Figma interface, the menu that lets you access extra tools. We'll use this to reach the plugin we need. From that menu, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find tools that extend Figma's capabilities and handle specialized workflows like exporting to other apps. If you haven't used plugins before, don't worry. Everything happens inside Figma, and you can remove plugins later if you no longer need them. In the search bar, type Convertify, Sketch, Adobe, Google. This is the plugin that includes the workflow we're after. You should see it appear in the results. The name highlights that it supports multiple formats, which is great for teams moving between design and motion tools. Open the plugin and look for the option to export Figma to Adobe After Effects. Select that specific export path. Before triggering the export, glance back at your canvas to make sure the correct frame or artboard is selected. Exporters typically operate on the current selection, so picking the right frame avoids extra files and keeps your project tidy. Inside the plugin, Enable All. These toggles usually control what gets included: layers, groups, vector data, and related assets. So turning everything on helps retain the most fidelity for animation work. Then click Export Page. Keep an eye on any prompts or status messages. Large frames or complex vectors might take a moment. While you wait, avoid making changes to the canvas so the export remains consistent. When the process finishes, you'll be prompted to download the file. Save it somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated exports folder for this project. That way, you maintain a clean handoff from design to motion and reduce the chance of missing assets later. If something doesn't look right in the output, revisit your frame selection and layer names, then run the plugin again. Small organization tweaks in Figma often resolve export quirks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.